In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design in Canva. If you've ever tried to create a social media post, a flyer, or any kind of branded graphic and ended up with something that felt messy, uneven, or just not polished enough, you're definitely not alone. Canva makes the process much easier, but getting a clean result still starts with using the right setup. The good news is that you do not need advanced design training to make something professional looking. You just need a simple workflow that keeps everything sharp, aligned, and easy to read. To begin, open Canva and go to the main homepage. In the top right corner, click Create a Design. From here, choose a preset that matches what you're making, such as an Instagram post, flyer, or presentation. If you need a specific size, click Custom Size and enter your own dimensions. This part matters because starting with the correct format helps your design look crisp instead of stretched or blurry, especially if you plan to post it online or print it later. Once your blank canvas is open, set up your layout guides before adding anything else. Go to the top menu, click File, then open View Settings. Turn on Show Rulers and Guides and also enable Show Margins. These guides act like visual boundaries, helping you avoid placing text or graphics too close to the edges. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in keeping your design balanced and professional. Next, it's time to add your main visual elements. On the left sidebar, click Elements. Use the search bar to look for graphics that match your style and topic. Try searching with clear descriptive terms so you can narrow down the results and find cleaner options faster. Once you find something that works, drag it onto your canvas and position it in a way that supports the overall layout. Try not to overcrowd the page. A strong design usually gives each element enough room to breathe. After that, add your text. Click Text on the left sidebar, then choose Add a Text Box. Enter your main headline and keep it short and clear so it stands out immediately. Then use the toolbar at the top to choose your fonts. A bold, simple font works well for headings, while a more readable font is better for supporting text. The goal here is to create a clear hierarchy so viewers know what to read first and what to read next. Finally, review your composition carefully. Click and move your text and graphics slightly to check Canva's alignment guides and make sure nothing crosses the margin area. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG for digital use or PDF print. If you want a high quality print file, then click Download to save your finished design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.